Welcome. If you've ever wished you could organize your Pinterest boards by the date you created them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sort your Pinterest boards by oldest first, using the latest version of the Pinterest app. This simple trick will help you rediscover your earliest boards and keep your profile neatly organized. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see several tabs at the top. Tap on the one labeled Boards to display all the boards you've created over time. Now, look towards the top of your screen for the Sort button. It's usually located right above your list of boards. Tap on it, and a menu will pop up with different sorting options. From this menu, select Oldest. Instantly, your boards will rearrange, showing the ones you created first at the very top of the list. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to revisit their original boards, clean up old collections, or simply enjoy a little nostalgia. Maybe you started a recipe board years ago and want to see what you pinned back then. Or perhaps you're looking to update your earliest travel inspiration boards. Sorting by oldest first makes it easy to find those hidden gems. To recap, just open the Pinterest app, go to your profile, tap the Boards tab, then hit the Sort button and choose Oldest from the menu. It's that straightforward. No more endless scrolling or guessing when you created each board. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and Pinterest tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.